Hi students, welcome at StudyKosh. You have opted the course that is YouTube marketing. So the duration of this course is approximately 4 hours. This course is available in Hindi as well as in English language, and we will cover all the important topics related to YouTube, like what is YouTube, how to create your channel, how to write description, verification of YouTube account. We will do all the important settings in YouTube, and also we will analyze the channel, how to create a banner image for YouTube, its algorithm, keywords, important topics which you can choose for your channel, titles, tags, supers, different types of videos like trailers, features videos, how to choose copyright free image. So all the important topics we will discuss in this course. So students, after learning this course, you can start your own channel on YouTube and earn from YouTube. Also, if you are into any business, you can promote your brand, address customers' questions and much more. So let's not waste our time. Click on the very first video and start your journey of YouTube marketing. We hope you will enjoy the course. All the very best. Thank you.